Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily English with Diana. How are you today? Do you sit for a long time at work or school? Just like me? Today we will learn some useful sentences for this. Let's get started. My right leg fell asleep. My right leg fell asleep. Fell. F-E-L-L. Fell. Asleep. A-S-L-E-E-P. A-S-L-E-E-P. Asleep. This is a simple way to say that your leg lost feeling for a while. If you sit or cross your legs for too long, they might feel tingly or funny. In this case, you can say, my legs fell asleep. My legs fell asleep. This can also happen to your arms. My arms fell asleep. My arms fell asleep. Another very good way to say is, my right leg is numb. My right leg is numb. Numb. N-U-M-B. Numb. N-U-M-B. Be careful. When a word ends in M-B together, the B sound is silent. We don't say numb, we say numb. Now, let's talk about cramp. C-R-A-M-P. Cramp. C-R-A-M-P. If you get a cramp in your leg while swimming, running, or jogging, you have to stop and stretch or massage the muscle until the cramp goes away. You can say, I have a cramp in my right leg. I have a cramp in my right leg. To stop a cramp, stretch or massage your muscle. To prevent cramps, warm up before you exercise. That's very important, especially in cold days. Alright, let's do a quick review. My right leg fell asleep. My right leg fell asleep. My arms fell asleep. My arms fell asleep. My right leg is numb. My right leg is numb. Oh, I have a cramp in my right leg. I have a cramp in my right leg. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you have any questions, leave a comment or send me a message. See you next time. Bye.